and welcome back to another exciting episode of Fishing More Outdoors. I have no clue what the thumbnail and title says down below. This video might kind of be all over the place. You guys are pretty used to that though. I am currently on my way to my old local spillway. You guys see in the last episode, I went to my old local spillway to catch some crappies, and I'm heading back for a little bit of redemption. I brought some crappie minnows today, so I'm hoping that might make the crappie fishing a little bit easier. And then after crappie fishing, I'm actually about to go on a little road trip up to Duluth, Minnesota to meet up with homie Mav. I'm thinking if I end up catching some crappies, I might bring them to Mav's house and we're gonna have a little catch and cook. But if I don't catch any crappies, we're probably just gonna go out to eat or something, and I also think we might go golfing or something. But yeah, stay tuned. First stop, we are heading to the spillway to hopefully catch some crappies.
Don't let it burn, don't let it fade. I'm sure I'm not being rude, but it's just your attitude.
Heck yeah, dudes. I think I'm the only one here. Alright, y'all. We got our crappie minnows. I'm really hoping these suckers are still gonna be here. It's only been a few days, so I'm thinking they're gonna be here, and they're gonna be way more bitey with crappie minnows. Stay tuned, y'all. I'm gonna get a little bobber set up, and yeah, hopefully we about to crush. Grab ourselves a little crappie minnow. I got my bobber rod all dialed. Just gonna hook that right behind the back. And I'm gonna start out with my bobber like 4 feet, and let's see if the crappies are munching. Perfect cast. Holy carp. Carp are here. Ooh, do I got weeds just right away? No. First cast, no bueno. Let's try over here a little bit. Come on, crappies. Where are ya? The foam ain't really foaming right now. I'll tell you that for free, but all it takes is that current to push up right there and the whole school should be there. I might have to bring it down just a tiny bit more. Oh, perfect cast. Oh, the carp are there. Freaking jumping right at my bobber. That's not good for the crappies. No, dude. Well, absolutely nothing on the freaking crappie minnow. Maybe try the plastic again? We caught some on that the last video. In this video, though, we're gonna go with a Fishing More minnow. Little Wonder Bread. Link in bio, link in description. Go check them out. Fishing More minnow. Here's what the pack looks like. Super nice. Yes, perfect cast, first cast. Do I really have one first cast? No way. Holy. Not a crappie. This bastard's trying to go in the pilings. He's so close, too. I got him. There he is. sure what you guys all seen, but I threw around my bobber for about 20 minutes until I broke off on a stump. Then I ended up throwing around the fishnmore minnow for a little bit, and I just ended up snagging like 3 carp in a row, so I just got out of there. So no catch and cook tonight, but we are currently on our way up to Duluth, Minnesota to hang out with homie Mav. I just got off the phone with Mav, and it sounds like we're gonna go play a quick 9 holes of golf. So yeah, stay tuned. We got ourselves about a 3-hour drive right now. Then we'll probably just meet you guys back at Mav's house or the golf course or something. I don't know. Stay tuned. And just like that, yo, we have made her to Duluth, Minnesota. Still got like a half an hour drive, but stay tuned. We will probably see you guys at Mav's house. The old country club. The links are looking good today. Mavrick, we are at the golf course, and we are been playing for a little bit already, but we are pulling up to just a super cool looking hole. We're with Mav.
Yes, sir. What's up, guys?
Stay tuned. Enjoy this little montage of us golfing for a little bit.
Hole 13. Let's go, buddy.
It's real windy out here. That was nice though. That came off nice. It's good.
Yeah, go more left. Nice. Good ball. Perfect. It's on the fairway.
Dude, look at this hole. Straight going into Lake Superior. So cool. Oh, a little chunky, but it came off straight.
Yeah.
It's gonna roll.
No, Marooch. All right, here we got Mr. Hubert. He's going for gold on hole 13. 175 yards in. Let's see what he's got. His iron game has been sensational lately. Oh my god. Nothing short of exquisite. Center fairway.
Dude, this is the coolest hole I've ever golfed. Look at that. Awesome. 75? Yeah, but it's downhill.
Nice shot, Sullivan. Oh!
That's safe as can be. It's safe. I don't even need to hit. I'm gonna though.
Good ball. Nice shot. Oh yeah. Bridge deck.
Should we rate it? Don't golfers do that?
This bridge is probably about a 7 out of 10.
I'm gonna give it like a 6-4.
6-4? Alright.
That's good. Good shot.
Oh, stay, please.
Where were you? Right here?
Yeah. Nice shot. Go. Nice. So good, Marie. So good.
Dude. More lake view?
So
Come
sick.
on.
Look at the waves out there right now, man. You could circle them.
I know it's ripping. Alright, let's make this putt. Oh! You guys suck at golf. Yep.
Par, baby. Let's go.
Good par for the boys.
Yeah, that was big.
Yeah.
Big man play.
And look at the view. This golf course is sick.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Oh. Wait, listen for it. Weird lie in this rough like this. Almost gotta stay up on it.
I like I like rough chips. That'll play. A little right, but it'll play.
It's on the green.
Good shot.
Nice. Go. Nice. Nice. Go in the hole. Dude. Gotta hit it. Gotta hit it. That was the line. That was the line, too. I was holding one this one last time, buddy.
Yeah, I did. A little 150 tack, par 3.
See it. Yep, there it is. Nice slice.
Little Randy.
Your tracker on there is going to be straight, right?
Yeah.
There you go. Do it for him. Go in the hole. Go in the hole. Go in the hole. Go in the hole.
Oh my God.
Wait, hang on, I'm zooming in on it. Dude.
Get out of my game.
That's
Golf's
like,
easy.
within like 3
Golf's
feet.
easy.
It's probably like a 2-foot putt. Holy shit, man. For whatever reason, like where your ball lands, it just like feeds right to that hole. I don't get it. Because that was the same pin placement last time you almost hold it.
I know.
That's crazy.
Oh, you were right. I'm leaving everything short, but everything is just tap in. All right, it's a little right to left. I knew it, dude. I felt it in my feet. Hey, you know why I'm playing so good? Right there, baby. Mavmadeit.com.
Kept it all 18 holes.
Yep.
18 so far.
Hit it with your purse, dude. Last hole of the day here. Look at the clubhouse up there, just looking all majestic.
It's purty.
And Mav's gonna pipe one right down the center. Man, you got a hold of that.
Yeah.
That's a good drive.
It's gonna stay right in those pine.
I think you're just kind of aiming a little that way. That's good.
Yeah, that'll play. Safe. Oh, look at that bounce. That's crazy.
Oh, chunky boy.
So fat, dude.
It's safe.
It is safe. It's just, that's a mudslide. Just like that. Oh, yeah. Go. Get up there. Stay for him. Stay for him. Yeah? Oh, yeah.
Probably when you're in crap, but a little chip and par.
Chip and fire. Oh, boy. That was the right line. A ricochet of your ball so it goes in.
Oh my God. Dude, you called that. You called that.
Oh.
Yeah, you can have mine. Let's go.
That was dope, dude.
That was fun as hell.
That's so fun.
I had a good time golfing there. That is a freaking sick course. But stay tuned, y'all. We are about to go to the grocery store. I'm reminding you.
Yeah, thank
Go
you.
to the grocery store quick. And then we're about to go back to Mav's new place. And we're going to cook up some gyros.
Yes, sir.
Probably not going to film like the whole thing like I normally would. Just because this video is all over the place already, I'm sure. But
We'll show you the final product.
yeah, stay tuned. Your fuzzbuster fell.
Yeah.
Super Juan.
Super.
Super Juan. Just kidding. And we have made her back to Mavrick's house.
And we got the dill.
Alright, let's cook some gyros.
Let's do it.
You know, I wouldn't expect any less than to come to Mav's house and he's just got a half-built Lego Star Wars figurine on his living room floor. Dude, this guy's just living the dream. What are you doing?
Built up lamb chops.
Damn, Mav.
Yeah.
Someone make that for you?
Yeah. My buddy Drew did.
That's sick.
Yeah, it's pretty rad.
Shout out Drew.
I gotta My first time using these things.
Whoa, I have not been filming. What you got going there?
What's that meat?
Is that meat, boy?
What's that meat?
What'd you add? Onions?
Onions, thyme, oregano. Cut the lamb with some beef, some lean in it, and I added different ingredients.
I'm over here listening to music and about to be editing. What you making, meatloaf, boy?
Pretty much. Euro meatloaf, boy.
That's what it looks like. That's
Did I say
crazy.
Euro? I meant meatloaf.
Did you put the water in here?
Yeah.
Weird, dude.
So,
I just seen a
boiled it.
TikTok of something like this.
Really?
Yeah, I swear to God.
I gotta be careful.
A baby almost fell into it as they're
baby?
pulling it out.
You
Yeah.
better be careful.
Dude, come on, man.
It's not a baby.
Alright, the meat's going in. Stay tuned. The final result coming in 3, 2, 1.
Well, the tomato.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe a little bit of lettuce. Just a little baby bit. Homemade tzatziki.
A little bit of
Might sprinkle
lettuce.
a little feta on there too.
Might?
Gonna sprinkle a little feta on there. Look at that.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh. For you, sir.
Thank you. Dude, like, are you kidding me? Shout out Mavi for kicking while I sat over there and edited.
It's my first time.
Yeah, this is the first time I've ever had homemade gyros.
Same.
Like, first time ever.
Yeah,
I've
same.
only ever gotten it out of like a food truck or like a fair or something.
Oh my god.
Like insane.
Oh my god.
Like 10 out of 10. Oh, it's falling apart. That sauce is good.
Mm-hmm.
I think I made mine too big.
Me too.
Polished. Destroyed. Shut up now. That was bomb.
What do you think?
I'm gonna give it a solid 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
You like that?
Bussin'.
You like a 9 out of 10?
Stay tuned, y'all. I'm currently editing. We'll talk to you guys later tonight or something. Good morning, y'all. It is currently 6 a.m. I ended up staying up last night editing till like 2:33 in the morning. But yeah, myself and Mavrick are in the old Tremor. We're heading to the old airport, huh?
Yeah, we're going to Louisiana, buddy.
Whoa, just told him? I wasn't keeping it a secret,
I'll
but
leak it.
me and Maverick going on a little trip right now to Louisiana. I'm not telling you what we're doing, but stay tuned for some videos. And yeah, I think we're going to end this video right here. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. This one was definitely all over the place, but I kind of like that. If you guys could, like this video, share it if you want to, and smash that subscribe button if you want to see more. I think that's it. Love you guys. Peace out.